Let's start with the most important section of Sewport, which will answer your main question: how to create your first project and start receiving quotes from manufacturers. In the navigation bar, click on New Quote Request. First, select the category of the project, add a project name, and click on whether you have produced before or not. In the next block, you can add the number of styles, quantities per each style, and the sizes you wish to produce. In the last block, you can describe your project with more details. Click on Next. In the next window, you can select services you need help with. First section is finalizing my idea/spec. Click on the services you need and it will be added to your project. In the white window, you can include more detailed information about sketches, ideas, and everything you consider adequate. Second section is sewing patterns. Click on the services you need and it will be added to your project. In the white window, you can include more detailed information about the types of patterns you want to create or whether you have paper patterns and you need them digitized/graded. Third section is sampling. Add the information about the sample you need, the type of fabric you want manufacturers to use, and the date you need it by. Fourth section is fabrics and trims. You can add the information about the fabrics and trims that you need. Fifth section is printing and embroidery. If you need printing, embossing, embroidery, or any kind of printing, tick this box. Most specialists from the first block, idea/spec, will be able to help you finalize these designs as well. Last section is bulk production. Add the date you need to buy and you can discuss it further with selected manufacturers. Be sure to have your patterns completed and graded for all the sizes you want to have made. Click on Next. In the last step, you can upload files to get factories interested and informed. First, you can add a project logo. Click on the Upload. Go to the left menu and add relevant images or files to each section, and then click on Drag and Drop to upload relevant images. Click on Publish to make your project live and start receiving quotes from the manufacturers. After that, you will see a confirmation window. Also, while you wait for the offers, you can browse through the companies manually and request quotes from manufacturers directly from our search engine.